Welcome back to Filmoments tutorials. Today I will show you how to make your old picture like this bring to life. But before that, if you're new to this channel, please subscribe and hit the bell button to be updated with our latest upload. So go ahead and open your Play Store. Search for myheritage app. So I already downloaded the app. Now let's open it. You need to sign in so you can use your Facebook or Google to sign in. So when you log in, there's a What's New pop-up message about the deep nostalgia. What it does, it will animate the faces and any still photo as if bringing it to life. So let's try it now. So I already prepared a photo. This is just a sample photo that I got from Google. Now to animate this photo, all you have to do is tap on this icon and the app will analyze the photo for a couple of seconds. And you will see the amazing results. You can also change the animation by tapping on the animation from the top. So when you're done, you can save it or share it with your friend directly in social media. If you like more how-to tutorials, please subscribe or click other videos to keep on watching. Until next time, bye for now.